In this video I will talk about Polkadot and share my price prediction for the long term and for the short term. Before we go into the content, be sure to join my free Telegram group. You find there daily updates about Bitcoin, Polkadot and all other cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. So Polkadot is right now on place 13 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap around $10.7 billion. On the weekly chart, you can see that we first broke out of this supply zone about this longer accumulation phase. But after we saw this new high right here at $11.90, we then saw this bearish retracement to the downside. We then moved again into this area right here. And right now we saw this massive wicks. We took some liquidity and right now we are moving to the upside again. But we are still not seeing this massive push. At Bitcoin or Ethereum, we saw this massive push already, but at Polkadot, we didn't saw it. If we have a look at the Fibonacci retracement level, you can see that we are perfectly reacting at the 0.618 Fibonacci. And we just saw this wicks between this level and this Fibonacci level, which is a really bullish sign. And if we now can close over this 0.5 level, then the chances also high that we could see even higher prices. And on a daily time frame, you can again see perfectly that we made a higher high right here. So we are in a bullish structure. We then came back into this demand zone right here, wicked down here. We took the liquidity and now we saw this longer accumulation phase and now breaking out of it. And now it's very important that we are seeing the bullish explosion out of this zone, because if we are seeing the bullish interest, then the chances high that we can continue the bullish trend. And then of course the first very interesting zone is this last high right here, which led to this bearish structure. And if we are breaking this high right here at $9.11, then the chances high that we can continue the bend, because otherwise if we are coming into the zone, the chance that we could see a bearish reaction is also very high. So it's very interesting how Polkadot will react at this area. And if we are seeing the bullish run, then the next very interesting zone is this last high right here at $11.90. And just from prices right now to this potential high, we would have potential over 60%. And if we're breaking this one to the upside, then the next very interesting potential is this high right here at $23.85. Because after this high, we saw this massive bearish reaction and the chance that we have massive liquidity over here is very high. So if we come to this price, the chance that we could see a reaction down here is very high. And if we then can continue the bullish trend and still have acceptance over this last highs, then the chance is really high that we can continue the bullish trend. And of course, the last very interesting price target is the all-time high right here at $55. And I think it's a very realistic price target for this bull run. And just from the price right now to this last all-time high, we would have potential over 630% for Polkadot, which is really massive, especially because it's a very big coin with a 10 billion market cap. And of course, on the one hand, it's not very nice that we are not seeing the massive explosion till now because many coins already exploded. But on the other hand, we are in this longer accumulation phase and the chance that we could see a massive breakout after this. And if Polkadot starts this bullish explosion is very high. And if you want to copy my personal trades, then join my exclusive signal group. Here I'm sharing real-time trading signals, crypto spot buys and sells, and my personal risk management. It's the second link in the description. So again, for the long term, I'm very bullish on this project. And on the short term, I'm also really bullish. So I think the chances are high that we can continue the bullish trend because we are right now breaking this last accumulation phase. Just if we are breaking through this, then the chances high that we can see even lower prices again. But as long as we are not breaking this one, then the chances high that we can continue the bullish trend. And for potential entry, I would either wait if we are breaking this last accumulation to the upside and then retesting it. If we are seeing here bullish price action, I would get into a potential long trade. Or if we are seeing a lower price again and some bullish price action around here, then I think there's also a great chance to get into a potential long trade on Polkadot. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.